Let's show you the Cadd9 chord here on your guitar. This is a fantastic chord, and it's a great chord, especially if you're in the key of G. It works really well. So G. Now in the key of G, the 4 chord is C, so a lot of us would just go to a C chord. D chord, but the Cadd9 chord, woo, look how nice this chord is. Now, when you're playing, if you're coming from G to C, I suggest using the 4-finger G here. So you have your 3, 3, and then 5th string, 2nd fret there. Because when you go from the G chord down to the Cadd9, all you gotta do is take your fingers 1 and 2 and just move them down the strings 5 and 4, and the rest can be exactly the same. So G, Cadd9, G. And then if you need to get to the D or the D sus4 chord, you got the fingers right there. G, Cadd9. And there is the Cadd9 chord. Did you know that chord, or do you use that chord? Leave that comment below. It's a fantastic chord. Just adds a little bit of spice to your C chord. And all a Cadd9 chord is a C chord, a C triad, C, E, and G, and it's adding the 9th degree to it, which is D. So you just had basically a C chord with a D note, which is right there in this particular chord. Resolved. If you like this, you want to learn more, make sure to check out our educational site for our courses, our memberships, our challenges, our Q&As, everything we do over there, rocklikethepros.com.